Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Magone Bpr40 radio is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly two-way radios on the market, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of users, from outdoor enthusiasts and event organizers to businesses needing reliable on-site communication. Its compact design, long battery life, and clear audio quality ensure that you stay connected without any hassle, even in challenging environments. Whether you're coordinating a team, exploring the wilderness, or simply need a dependable way to communicate with family and friends, this radio offers a robust solution that balances performance with affordability. Number 5. Coonyard 2-Pack 7.2V 1650 mAh NMH Replacement Battery. Introducing the Coonyard 2-Pack Replacement Batteries, designed to keep your compatible Motorola walkie-talkies powered up. Enjoy extended communication with these high-capacity power sources. With the 7.2V 1650 mAh NMH capacity, these batteries provide long-lasting power. Stay connected for longer communication sessions without interruption. Constructed from high-quality materials, they are built to withstand daily use. Rely on their durability in various demanding environments. Each battery comes with a belt clip for easy carrying. This ensures quick access when you need it most during operations. You'll receive two 7.2V 1650 mAh NMH replacement batteries and two belt clips. We also back this with a 24-month worry-free warranty and excellent customer service. These are compatible replacements for Motorola Magone Bpr40, A8, PMNN4071, PMNN4071A, and PMNN4071AR walkie-talkies. Ensure your communication devices are always ready. What we like. This battery pack offers a high capacity for extended use. Its durable design ensures it can handle daily wear and tear. If you need reliable power for long shifts or outdoor activities, this is a great choice. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for days on a single charge. The radio's compact design makes it easy to carry around. Sound quality is surprisingly clear and loud for its size. Number 4. Motorola Magone Bpr40 A8 NMH Battery 4-Pack. Ensure your communication stays strong with this 4-pack of high-capacity batteries. They are designed to provide long-lasting and dependable power for your devices. These batteries are fully compatible, replacing specific Motorola battery models. They are made to fit your Motorola Magone Bpr40 and A8 radios seamlessly. Built with advanced nickel-metal hydride cells, these batteries offer reliable performance. Enjoy extended use thanks to their 1500 mAh capacity. Perfect as a backup power solution, they are ideal for two-way radios used in various professional settings. Keep your operations running smoothly without interruption. This complete package includes 4 rechargeable batteries and 4 belt clips. This ensures you have everything you need for convenient carrying and immediate use. Before use, please verify that your charger is compatible with NMH batteries. This will prevent any potential charging issues and ensure optimal performance. What we like. Get reliable performance with this NMH battery technology. It's designed as an ideal backup power solution for various field operations. If you're in security, retail, or any field operation requiring consistent communication, this pack provides excellent value. What people say. The radio is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The sound quality is surprisingly good for such a small device, with clear audio and decent bass. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts for a long time on a single charge. Number 3. Motorola Magone Bpr40 2-Way Radio. Introducing the Motorola Magone Bpr40, a powerful UHF two-way radio designed for dependable communication. It operates on the 450 to 470 MHz frequency range, ensuring clear and efficient transmissions. Stay connected longer with up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. This device is built to keep up with your demanding workday without interruption. Easily program it to work with your other UHF two-way radios. As long as they share the same frequencies and codes, you'll experience seamless communication across your team. Engineered to meet Motorola's rigorous durability standards, this radio is built to withstand tough environments. You can rely on its robust construction for long-term performance. Don't let the elements stop you. It features water resistance, providing added protection against splashes and light rain, making it suitable for various working conditions. What we like. This radio boasts up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. It's built to Motorola's durability standards and is water resistant. If you need a rugged, long-lasting radio for demanding environments, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Magone Bpr40 radio is a reliable and durable communication tool. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and operate in various environments. The radio offers clear audio transmission and reception, ensuring effective communication. Number 2. Motorola Bpr40 Mag1 VHF Radio. Discover the Bpr40 Mag1, a powerful VHF radio designed for reliable communication. It offers 8 channels and 5 watts of power to keep you connected. Operating in the VHF frequency range of 150 to 174 MHz, this device ensures clear and efficient transmissions. Stay in touch with your team, no matter the distance. With 8 channels and a robust 5-watt output, it's built to handle demanding environments. You can rely on its performance for critical communications. This model, AAH84KDS8AA1N, is engineered for durability and ease of use. It's a practical solution for your communication needs. While it requires programming to suit your specific operations, this radio is ready to become an essential part of your communication strategy. Get yours today. What we like. This radio operates on VHF frequencies with 8 channels and 5 watts of power. It requires programming to suit your specific needs. If you're looking for a powerful, customizable radio for clear communication over longer distances and specific frequency bands, this is a solid option. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for a full 12-hour shift on a single charge. The sound quality is surprisingly clear, even in noisy environments. The radio is very durable and has survived several drops without any damage. Number 1. Motorola 2-way radio battery charger. Introducing our versatile charging dock, designed to power up your essential communication devices. It's compatible with a wide range of battery types, ensuring you're always connected. Forget about matching specific battery cells. This charger works seamlessly with NICD and NMH batteries, simplifying your charging routine. Specifically engineered for Motorola 2-way radios, including models like BC130, Mag1, Bpr40, A6, and A8. Keep your communication tools ready for action. It supports key battery models such as PMLN4822AR, PMLN4682AR, and PMLN5041A. This ensures broad compatibility with your existing accessories. Monitor your charging progress at a glance with the built-in LED indicator. It provides real-time status updates for your convenience. Rest assured with our overcharging protection. This feature safeguards your radios, batteries, and the charger itself, ensuring durability and safety. What we like. This charger offers rapid charging for multiple battery types, including NMH and NICD. Its LED indicator shows charging status, and it includes overcharging protection. If you have various Motorola radios and batteries, this versatile charger ensures they are always ready to go safely. What people say. The radio has a good battery life. The sound quality is clear and loud. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.